Today, I have a real treat for you. If you've ever dreamt of giving your PC a fresh and personalized look, you're in the right place. We'll be covering every intricate detail, from the initial download and setup to unveiling an array of astonishing customization options. Let's begin by ensuring you are well prepared to embark on this exciting customization adventure. Head over to the official Startleback website. Don't worry, you'll find a handy link in the video description below for easy access. Hit that download button and the application will immediately be downloaded, as you can see. Once you secure the application, follow the intuitive installation process. It's a quick and straightforward procedure, ensuring that in just a matter of moments, you'll be armed with the capability to transform your desktop. As we journey into the heart of Startleback, gazing upon its main interface, we're greeted by what can only be described as a portal to endless transformation possibilities. Our adventure begins with the welcome menu, a gateway to a world of captivating Windows themes. These themes are not just any themes, they are like different chapters in a thrilling novel. There are 3 distinct tales to choose from, each with its own unique allure. First, there's Proper 11, an exquisite reflection of the Windows 11 aesthetic. This theme introduces a circular start menu, taskbar elements adorned with graceful corners, and the all-new command bar in Windows Explorer. Take a look. Then, we have Kinder 10, a delightful tribute to Windows 10, featuring a square start menu, corner taskbar icons reminiscent of Windows 10, and the classic ribbon user interface. Look at how it appears when selected. Finally, we encounter Remastered 7, a loving homage to the cherished Windows 7. It boasts an arrow start menu and taskbar style, Windows 7 taskbar icons, and a clean, user-friendly interface adorned with thoughtful details placed at the bottom in Windows Explorer. Our journey continues as we venture into the Start menu category, a treasure trove of customization options waiting to be discovered. While I'll be demonstrating the enabling of the modern apps display within a folder for the sake of time, rest assured that you have a plethora of choices at your disposal. If you have a penchant for larger icons, that's an option too. The customization features are vast and diverse, empowering you to craft a Start menu that is an expression of your unique style and preferences. Now, let's navigate to the taskbar category, where a myriad of options unfolds before your eyes. Behold, 5 distinct Windows Start icons await your selection. What sets this apart is the instantaneous application of your choice. You get to witness the transformation unfolding right before your very eyes. Enjoy that transformation. Prepare to be astounded as we delve into the Explorer category. Startleback empowers you to reimagine your file explorer, offering 3 distinct styles: Windows 11, Windows 10, and a nostalgic Windows 7 look. But the magic doesn't stop there. You can fine-tune your experience by toggling on or off effects like the elegant micro effect, the classic search box, new icons, and the details pane at the bottom. Your file explorer is now a canvas, and you are the artist. Our journey reaches its zenith in the Advanced Options category, where the possibilities expand exponentially. Here, you hold the reins to customize every facet of your PC's appearance. Experiment with custom start and taskbar coloring to imbue your desktop with a one-of-a-kind personality. Tweak Windows settings to your heart's content, toggling options such as the store and display of recently opened programs, items, or even experimenting with fresh fonts to breathe new life into your PC. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to Startleback, your key to Windows PC customization like never before. Your PC is now a blank canvas, and you are the artist with an entire palette of customization options at your disposal. I hope you found this detailed tutorial both informative and inspiring. Don't forget to show your appreciation by hitting that like button, sharing this video with your friends, and subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. If you have any burning questions or if you'd like to see more in-depth customization guides, please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.